guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nautica and I'm back with another video. Thank you for all who stopped to click on this video. I truly appreciate you. I see you. Thank you for your support. Welcome to everyone who's new to the channel. Welcome to the fam, Naughty fam. I don't know, I'm gonna come up with a name for my fam, my YouTube fam. Comment below some ideas of what I should call my family, my YouTube family. But anywho, this video is a smoothie video. I'm about to make a bomb smoothie. So this smoothie I pretty much eat almost all the time. This is my go-to smoothie. It's packed with tons of nutrients. Only thing I'm not gonna make, or not only I'm not gonna add this time that I normally add is spinach, but other than that, this smoothie is bomb. And yeah, so I'll show y'all my ingredients first. Alrighty, so right now I have strawberries in the smoothie blender. Frozen strawberries. I have almond milk. I have peanut butter. This is organic creamy peanut butter spread. A banana. Cinnamon. I love cinnamon in my smoothie. Chia and flaxseed blend. I'm gonna add a date, blueberries, and I have some sea moss. And last but not least, I have Arbonne's vanilla protein powder shake. And this is plant-based. So yes, this is a pea plant-based protein powder. And I am a consultant for Arbonne. So support your girl. I'm gonna leave the link below in the description box if you wanna buy you some, you know, plant-based protein powder. Also, if I'm looking down, like I said, guys, I'm also on live, so just let you know. Alright, so it doesn't really matter the order, but I'm gonna go ahead and put my blueberries in there with my strawberries. So I'm just gonna take a handful of blueberries. I don't really measure it. I'm just gonna rinse them off in the sink real quick. Oh no. One fell down the drain. Okay, so I got the handful of blueberries in there. And then I'm gonna take my banana. This banana is not ripe. I normally like my bananas ripe, but I just got it, so this is gonna have to do. When it's ripe, it tastes so much better because it's like really sweet, but it's all good. Actually, I think I'm just gonna use half banana and I'm gonna freeze the rest. Now I'm going to take my date, and the organic dates, they have a seed in the middle. So I usually take the seed out because if you don't take the seed out, then the blender is gonna like have a hard time chopping it up. So there's a seed, there's a seed. So I got the date, put the date in there. Now I'm gonna put some chia flaxseed blend inside my smoothie. Just a little bit, because this stuff can kind of strong a little bit sometimes. Alrighty, got that. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of cinnamon, or a lot of it of cinnamon, however you like it. I like cinnamon. And then I'm gonna add a scoop of peanut butter. Love adding peanut butter to my smoothie. I love peanut butter. Yum. Alrighty. And then I'm gonna add some of the sea moss. I'm gonna add some of the sea moss. This is actually my first time adding it to my smoothie, so beware, guys. I don't know how it's gonna taste. Kind of smells like applesauce. Add some sea moss. Yeah, I just add like a little spoonful, just a little bit. Alrighty. That is all. Yes, and then we're gonna, oh no, the most important part, the protein powder, the vanilla protein powder. So I'm gonna get 2 scoops of this. And I literally love this protein powder. It's plant-based. It tastes so good. Like, oh my gosh, guys. Like, it's literally my favorite protein powder ever. And I love that it's vegan because, you know, I'm vegan. I'm plant-based. So I'm gonna take 2 scoops of the Arbonne vanilla protein powder. And then I'm going to add the almond milk. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's very simple, very simple ingredient that tastes so delicious. Oh, I need to check this up. All right, it's good. Alrighty, and I'm just gonna fill it till it cover this stuff, kind of. Yeah, it's good. Alrighty, this is what it's looking like. IG Live, Facebook Live, YouTube. This is what it's looking like. Thumbnail. Alright. Let's put it on the blender. Here, I'll put the blender up so y'all can see. This is how it's going to blend. We're gonna top it. Alrighty, let's plug this bad boy up. Let's get to blending. Ooh, okay, here we go. Boy, I can't see. I'm gonna press Smoothie right here. Ready, let's go. Oh wait, what the heck? Oh, I didn't plug it up. I plugged the wrong thing up. That was not Smoothie. Okay, here we go. Because, you know, I like cinnamon. So a little more dash of that. And then we're going to pour this into a nice mason jar. 1 second. So pouring it into a mason jar just makes it taste so much better. Why? I don't know. It just does. So anyways, pouring this nice, yummy, healthy smoothie up in there. Yum. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And then we're gonna add, honestly y'all, just hitting this on the spot. We're about to add these coconut pieces on top. Just cause, you know, why not? You know what I'm saying? Why not make it look cute? So I'm just gonna, oh, these pieces got a little soft. They're supposed to be hard. These little coconut pieces on top. Straw. Boom. There you have it. The beautiful smoothie. Oh, that's cinnamon. Let me stir that. Yum. Cheers, guys. Thank you all for tuning into my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want me to do more videos like this, let me know. I definitely want to incorporate more fitness and healthy living and healthy eating videos on my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, share this video with other friends and family members, and y'all have an amazing, beautiful day. Peace out, guys.
Don't try keeping up, I'm on a run.